का मौसम है, समर का सीज़न है, तो काफ़ी वेयरेबल लाइट गर्ली कपड़े हैं। मैं आज फातिमा शेख के स्टोर लॉन्च पे आई हूँ और मैं समझती हूँ कि वो काफ़ी इंटेलिजेंट डिज़ाइनर है, काफ़ी अच्छे कपड़े बनाए हैं उन्होंने। समर का मौसम है, समर का सीज़न है, तो काफ़ी वेयरेबल लाइट गर्ली कपड़े हैं और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मैंने उनका ये आउटफिट पहना हुआ है।
आप जो है स्टाइल आइकॉन है, आप जो है बॉलीवुड में किसी आप मानती हैं कोई स्टाइल आइकॉन है?
रेखा जी, आई थिंक ऑल टाइम फेवरेट, मेरी ऑल टाइम फेवरेट स्टाइल आइकॉन रेखा जी है।
अगर मेल एक्टर की बात की जाए तो
आजकल के दौरान आई थिंक मुझे फरहान अख्तर बहुत पसंद है। उनका हट के एक अलग किस्म का स्टाइल है। मूवीज़ में भी वो काफ़ी कूल लगते हैं, अपने जो भी किरदार में वो ड्रेसअप होते हैं। पुराने ज़माने में आई थिंक अमिताभ बच्चन सर। आई डोंट थिंक एनीबडी इज़ मोर स्टाइलिश देन हिम।
और आजकल चल क्या रहा है, क्या करने वाले हैं, क्या कुछ प्रोजेक्ट?
वो सब हम बाद में बताएंगे। आज मैं फातिमा के लिए आई हूँ तो मैं नहीं चाहती कि मैं और किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करूँ। Thank you.
I think being fashionable for me is basically just I think wearing your personality most importantly. So you have to wear something that that your personality can carry off, and not something which is currently in fashion right now, because it might not just suit you. So I think wear your personality, wear your attitude most importantly. And for all the women, I will say wear clothes that suit your body type. Don't wear something just because your best friend is wearing it. It should suit your body type, because that's what's going to make you look beautiful.
You have been part of the glamour industry. You are part of the glamour industry. How important is for a glamour industry people to be fashionable?
Very important, extremely important. I think we're in the industry which is entertainment industry, the glamour industry. So when you say glamour industry, you have to look glamorous most of the times. I think we're expected to look glamorous most of the times, but I think it's very, very essential, because we come in front of the public. We're kind of representing our industry, so we have to look great all the time.
You show the collection of Fatima.
Yep.
What comment do you have to make on it? About the collection as well?
Well, I love the colors. Firstly, I think it's like the perfect colors for summer collection. They've got very beautiful, ice blue fabric outfits, which I love. I think they're very beautiful colors. But I think in general, the color scheme is great. The textures are great. They're very flowy, very summery, very beautiful, and they're not too over the top. So I think it's something that it's definitely wearable.
And what's going on in your professional life? Any projects?
Yeah, well, currently I'm just going to start shooting for Hanuman, which is on Sony.
Okay.
So yes, I'm in the process of shooting for that. The show is going to start pretty soon. So yeah, super excited about that.
Crystal, how important is for an individual to be fashionable as well? How important is for an individual besides a celebrity to be fashionable and stylish?
I think every individual now, because of all the stores and all the malls, is very fashionable in their own way, and fashion is what you are comfortable in. So comfort wear is the most important. आप stylish रहो, आप अच्छे रहो तो अच्छा रहता है. I think it's style is what matters more than fashion.
And what is your style statement, fashion statement? What kind of clothes you want to wear?
I am a little experimental these days, because बहुत टाइम है मेरे पास, तो मैं जाके अलग अलग चीज़ें खरीदती हूँ. एंड स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट एज सच कुछ नहीं है, बट आई थिंक whatever I am comfortable in, as well as things that are elegant and girly as well. I like both.
You are doing a new show. Can you just disclose about the show? What is the concept of the show? And what
I'm not doing a new show.
You're not doing a show recently? No. Sorry.